Dear teachers, welcome to the besttutionteacher.com. We have just updated the apply system in our website. Previously, you have to log in your profile first and then you can apply successfully on the tuition available on the website. Now you have to just browse the tuition either on the latest job page or either from the Telegram channel or in WhatsApp channel. So you have to just browse the tuition and click on the link either in any of the channel and you will get redirected to the tuition page, tuition details page. Here you have to just click on apply now, either here or either at the tuition job page. Any of the page you have to just click on apply now button. You will get the confirmation message. After that, okay, and you have to just input your email. After email, this should be your registered email. Here submit your email. You will get the verification code within your email. So after verification code, for example, I just got the verification code in my email. I have to put the verification code. This is one-time working verification code. I have to click on verify. Okay, after click on verification, it's verified successfully and you have successfully applied for the tuition. Now, okay, it would be redirect within your profile. So here there is two process is done. One is applied on the tuition and second is login in your profile also. So here the tuition I have applied is redirected here in the applied section. What is applied section? Within dashboard, here there is a applied tuition section. So anytime when you have applied on any tuition, you will get details at this page. And here it needs admin approval. So further we verify the teacher's profile and parents requirement, parent expectation, match this, and after that we will approve it. Thank you so much. And one more update is I am requesting to all teachers, kindly don't apply tuitions blindly, because first verify the tuition details. Every possible details we mention on the website, and like class, subject, address, and also the time slot. So first, kindly please, this is my humble request to all teachers, please verify the tuition details first, and after surety, if you will get comfortable in that details, then and only then apply on the tuition. Okay, thank you so much.